Hello friends, myself Yogesh Gaidani, working in KK Wagh Polytechnic Nasik in the Mechanical Engineering Department. So today we discuss about one of the important topic in the fluid mechanics subject, which is in the second year mechanical, that is centrifugal pump. So today's topic is centrifugal pump. So before starting this topic, I would like to say कि after learning of this topic or after learning of this centrifugal pump, you will going to understand following points. First, to know function of the pump, to understand construction and working principle of centrifugal pump. Third, to know actual centrifugal pump and its parts. And fourth one, to know practical application of pump, where exactly we use pump. Pump is very important device that we use in day-to-day life. Just we see one practical example of the pump. See friends, this is a well. Here water is, we can see clearly water is available at the lower level. So pump is a device which actually lift the water from that lower level, pressurize it, and after pressurizing it, deliver it to the required height, that is for the domestic purpose and for the agriculture. Now we move towards construction and working of centrifugal pump. So here is the diagram in front of you. This is a diagram of centrifugal pump. So we start from the bottom side. See here is the water available. Just we have seen water which was available in the well, which was at the lower level. So assume this is a water in the well. Here is the water. So we start from the bottom side. This is a filter or strainer. As we know, different impurities, particles, rock particles, muds are available in the water. So we have to filter it. So for filtration purpose, we use this filter or strainer. Water is after filtering water from this strainer, water will move towards this pipe. This is a suction pipe, but here is one more part, that is footwall, or we can say NV wall, non-return wall. So what is function of non-return wall? Non-return wall plays very important role in the centrifugal pump because it allows the water to flow only in one direction. Means water will flow only from bottom to the top level. It will never flow in the downward direction because of this footwall. In other word, we can say footwall plays very important role in the priming. Means this pipe will always fill with the water whenever pump is in the stop condition or in the shut condition. This pipe will always in the always full of the water because of this footwall. So here next is, this is a coupling. Coupling means this part is connected to the pipe with the help of coupling. So here is the coupling. This is a suction pipe. Here is the HS. HS is what? Suction head. Means this is a level of water. From level of water to the center line of the impeller. This is an impeller. Center line of impeller. This height is known as suction height. Means pump has to suck the water from this height to this impeller. So this is suction pipe, suction head, and here is again one pressure gauge is provided to know the vacuum pressure inside the pipe or inside the pump. See here, this pipe, this delivery pipe is directly connected to the impeller or eye of the impeller. Means water will reach up to this impeller. Now see here, here is the important function. This impeller, or we can say this is a rotor. This is a rotor. That rotor is connected to the electrical motor. Means electrical energy is given to the electrical motor. Electrical motor will convert that electrical energy in terms of torque, and that torque, that rotation is given to the impeller, and impeller will start rotating, means we get mechanical energy. And when water will come in contact with the impeller, that mechanical energy is given to the water, and water will go into pressurize, means mechanical energy will converted into kinetic energy and pressure energy. So water will move in the outward direction with the pressure and kinetic energy. This is a casing of the pump. Next part is casing of the pump. This casing of the pump is, it's a airtight vessel actually, and function of this casing is to convert kinetic energy into pressure energy, as well as to guide the water. To guide the water means water, when water moves out of the impeller, water will automatically guided by the impeller. This water will move in the outward direction towards the delivery pipe. This is a delivery pipe. Here is the delivery pipe flange, means here is the flange connected up to here is one part, here is the next part, so both are connected with the help of flange. Then here is the delivery valve. With the help of valve we can adjust the flow of water, and this is a delivery pipe. See here, from the center of the impeller to the top level, this is the HD. HD is the delivery head, means water has to deliver up to this level. Here is the water delivery point, means water will deliver into the tank, means here it will reach, means. So again we move towards function of the pump to take the water from the lower level and pressurize it, and it delivered to the upper level to the water tank. So this is the main function of pump, and this is the construction and working of the pump. So again we see different parts of the pump: filter, then footwall, suction pipe, vacuum pressure, eye of the impeller, casing, flange. This is valve, delivery valve, positive pressure gauge, delivery pipe, and this is a tank. Okay, now finally we covered final point of this topic, that is application of centrifugal pump. First powerful application is domestic, means centrifugal pump is used in all domestic application. Second application is irrigation purpose or agricultural purpose. We can see this is the agricultural farm, and this is totally farm. This total farm is depend on the centrifugal pump, means water is given this farm with the help of centrifugal pump. Third application is industrial pumping station, all industrial pumping station. Fourth application is it is used in food industry, it is used in chemical industries, or in all sugar factories. So that's all for this topic of centrifugal pump. We cover function of centrifugal pump, construction and working of centrifugal pump, application of centrifugal pump. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching carefully. If you like this video, try to like it, try to subscribe our KK Wagh Polytechnic YouTube channel. Thanks.